Good afternoon, students. How are you? Fine. Today's story is a tale of two birds, and I think you know this is a moral story where we can learn a lot from the birds also. In this story, we'll find out a mother bird was living on a tall tree along with the two baby birds. But once there was a strong wind and it has blown away, broken down the nest also. Even in fact, mother bird also lost her life. And the two baby birds, they had also thrown away. One came down near the cave where the robbers were living. Robbers were there only. And another bird, he came near the Rishi's ashram. Now these two baby birds, they are growing up, and after that they became the big size of birds also, big birds. Now the king of this country, once he was in the forest for hunting some deer. Clear? So as he was chasing the deer, entering inside the forest, so he became quite tired. In fact, he lost his way also. So he came near the cave only where the robbers were living. So as he was taking some rest there, he was standing there only. All of a sudden, he listened a bird was shouting, "Quick, quick, hurry up!" Clear? And when he listened that one, he was surprised from where this sound is coming. Clear? Come and take jewels before he is leaving. So the king was surprised. Who is making this type of sound and why it is coming also? So the king also quite amazed and started to run away. Though he was sitting there, but he thought that it is not safe to remain there. So he also rode on the horse and tried to run away from there as soon as possible. So when he was proceeding on, where he came? He came in a clearing area where a Rishi's ashram was there. A Rishi was living there. The king tied his horse in that place only. The tree was there. In that tree he tied. And the moment he was in that place, all of a sudden he listened. Suddenly an announcement he listened. What was that announcement? Welcome to Rishi's ashram. Welcome to the ashram of Rishi, sir. So you please go inside there. Clear? And their pot is there. Have some cold water. And very soon the Rishi will come back. And you be yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. The king was surprised. Once when he was near the cave, one bird was shouting that hurry up quick, take all his jewels before he's leaving. Another one is saying, welcome to the Rishi's ashram, sir. So huge difference he found the attitude. And then this bird, when he raised that point, then this bird only told, actually that bird outside is, I saw one bird is there outside exactly looking same. Then this bird only told, sir, he is my brother only, and you are very right. Actually, his friendship is with the robbers. So that's why he has learned the words what the robbers are speaking every day. Clear? And then when that discussion was going on, in between Rishi also entered. Even Rishi also once again welcome to the king. Clear? And then Rishi told to the king, sir, you are looking tired. Clear? So whatever the food I have, not much, that only we can share together and we can enjoy. Then the king and the Rishi, both of them are discussing about these two birds. So many points have been told. And then Rishi told, you are in which forest now? Full of surprises are there. Clear? And then one more point he told, that is the most important point, that is the main value also you can understand. that one is known by the company one keeps. So always we should remember that always our friendship will be with the good person. If we remain with the good person, we will learn some good things. But if our company is with the bad persons, our learning also will be like that only. Thank you.